Hello everyone, welcome to Sunya IAS. Guys, we are here with one of our most loved program for prelims. It is your prelims crash course for 2024. So we have been doing this crash course since a few years now, and it has been very helpful to students and very pivotal for them in clearing their prelims. So let me explain the components once more, and I will show you what are the components, what are the benefits, how are we going to conduct the program, and also testimonials from last year's course. Okay, so stay tuned with me for a couple of minutes and you will have absolute clarity on how this course is going to be very beneficial and a very important part of your journey in clearing your prelims. So what is this crash course? Okay, so all of you might have read multiple sources, revised it many times, or maybe not. Okay, let's consider both the possibilities. So now before prelims, just before prelims, we are here to help you revise your entire GS, okay, and CSAT also, but we will talk about the CSAT part later. Right now we will talk about GS. So we are here to help you revise your entire GS in just 200 hours. Now you would say, how is that possible, ma'am? We are only keeping all the relevant and important things for 2024 preliminary exams depending on the trends and pattern of 2023 prelim examination. Now we are covering all the subjects, as you can see here: history, art and culture, science and tech, economy, polity, geography, environment, and also current affairs. Now how are we covering them? So based on the weightage that UPSC gives to each subject, we have also distributed equal weightage. Like current affairs has the maximum weightage, and it is a pain point for students that most of the students who come to us, they are like, current affairs is too lengthy, ma'am, we cannot comprehend so much. Don't worry guys, in this course we are giving special emphasis to current affairs so that you can get an edge in your prelims examination. We will be spending 40 hours on your current affairs. The other three subjects whose weightage is more are 4 subjects, not 3, sorry: polity, economy, environment, science and tech. We will be dedicating 20 to 25 hours each for these subjects, and ancient and medieval, ancient 10 hours, medieval 10 ancient and medieval 10 hours, modern 10 hours, art and culture will be given 10 hours, geography will be done. Also you will have separate lectures on geography mapping, because if you see last year papers or the paper before that year or the one before that, geography mapping is very important. There are a few questions every year that if you have mastered your mapping, you will get some good marks, being sure about the answer. Right. So now let us understand what are the features. I just scroll quickly so that we get everything on the screen. So as I told you, we are going to cover entire syllabus in just 200 hours. So it will be like a rapid revision for all of you. Okay. Along with this, you will also get our revision notes. Now, what are revision notes and why are they important? Till now, you have been referring multiple sources. Now, what if I tell you that we have combined all the sources, the credible ones, the relevant ones, the ones which UPSC is using, the NIOS, NCERT and standard reference books, and we have made revision notes so that you can revise it more number of times, which equals to remembering it better. Okay, so you will get revision notes for every subject. You will get lectures for every subject which are very relevant. Okay, anything and everything that is spoken in the lecture is going to be very important for your examination. We have eliminated everything that is irrelevant, and we are also very focused on giving you very concentrated content. Now if you talk about the third component, we will be doing expert sessions also, right, on how to tackle your prelim sort of a session, which will really help you in increasing your marks. Special focus on current affairs, we have discussed this already. Now this course is for 2024, okay, but let me tell you, with this course you will be getting access to 2023 prelims crash course videos, so that you can read according to your own schedule, right? आगे चलते हैं, let us see. So this is how we are doing the courses. We are having the most I would say relevant PPTs, okay, which will help you remember. Now that was about the GS course for prelims. Now we have another course wherein CSAT is also available. So you can buy the entire combo, CSAT plus GS. Now the speciality of our CSAT course is that we are giving you worksheets with every lecture. We are discussing PYQs, okay, with every component. And maths and reasoning, quantitative aptitude and reasoning is done by IITians. Your RC is also very beautifully covered in this course. So if you think you really want to take your preparation on the next level, then this is the course for you. So whenever we are studying, we always think of the cost benefit ratio, that if I am reading this book, how many marks will I be able to score? So keeping in mind the cost benefit ratio, cost as in how much time you're spending. Okay, time is, I would say, the most important and invaluable commodity or thing that we have in our lives. So remember, we are making the courses in a way that you're saving your time and you're revising your entire syllabus many times. So these are the notes I was talking about. You can walk down to any of our offline centers or go to our website and see samples of these courses. Now these are the testimonials. I'm not going to read all of these testimonials or any of these. You can pause your screen and watch them. They are also available on our Telegram channel. You can subscribe to that. In the description box below, there is a link to subscribe the course. There is a link to our Telegram channel, to our helpline. If you have any queries, you can even call us on the number given in the description box. There were too many testimonials, we could not fit in everything, so we just got a few on slide. And now it's my time to say thank you very much everyone for listening to me, and I would say see you in the class. Thank you.